What if freedom is not a universal yearning? What if the cage is not only a symbol of confinement, but also a sanctuary for those who seek it and those who accept it with consciousness? In the realm of symbolism and allegory, the image of a caged bird has long been used as a powerful metaphor in literature and philosophy to represent various aspects of human conditions and experiences. Birds by nature are creatures of the sky, meant to soar and explore the vast expanse of the open air. When confined within the confines of a cage, they undoubtedly recognize the bars that imprison them. Similarly, humans possess an intrinsic awareness of their limitations and constraints, whether they are physical, societal, or psychological. The caged bird has represented various aspects of human existence, freedom, and struggle. Now, let us delve into the lives and minds of the 5 different birds. Each has a unique perspective on their shared home, a cage.